Remember?
I don't think you want the chicken, Kai.
Oh, I want some chicken.
I don't think you want the chicken, Kai.
At isang napipintong paghaharap.
Come on, bro. You're inside the house. You have most of the things. Hindi nga new chicken yun, but we were kind enough to offer you the 80% of our hard work.
Kasi hindi nyo talaga alam na kung gaano kaimportante sa amin ang manok. Hindi lang yun basta manok. Alam mo yun, Jaren.
At isa ka sa naghirap nun.
Actually, it's not about the chicken. Kami ang may call dito. So kung anong gusto namin, yun ang gagawin namin.
I'm just curious kung bakit ganyan kayo and ano ba ang gusto niyong patunayan?
Wala kaming gustong patunayan.
Then why?
At bakit? May kailangan ba kami patunayan sa inyo?